Good afternoon all. Am I audible, man?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
What is the last
Yes, sir.
one? What is the last one we are discussing? Last one.
So the 20-volt battery problem. Volt and 10 volt.
Sir, that 200 by 3 and 40 by 3 and 320 by 3 answer that question.
How did you write your exam yesterday, man?
It was good, sir. Very good. Easy paper.
Yes, sir. Very easy.
How much you got?
269.
Physics?
Physics 82, sir.
Easy paper, you're saying why you did not get 100 out of 100? When paper is theories, cutoff will be more. Understood that? After the exam, you check
Yes,
where
sir.
you lost more. Easier the paper, more the cutoff. Very tough paper means cutoff may be 40. Easy means it may go up to 95 also. Then many people will get more marks. After the exam, you analyzed where you are lost marks.
We didn't get the analysis yet, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did not get the key.
Yes, we got the key, but we are not giving result on website, sir, yet.
When it is not coming instantaneously, huh?
Yes, sir. The question paper will come with result.
How many days it will take?
It varies, sir, a lot. Sometimes even 1 week. Sometimes you will get in 2-3 days.
Not on this. Shall I do?
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing, Mr. Venkatagiri? Hello. Hello. Sir, please respond if you are on call. Customer is not responding forcefully with the call. Customer is not responding forcefully with the call. Customer is not responding forcefully.
Shall I do it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
See, you can assign branch current or loop current and solve. No, what is there in this? I can take a loop like this. I forgot, so much things I told. What man you're forgetting?
No, sir.
And why nobody answer?
Let's see.
For this loop? Agreed. After that, you'll get Q1, you will get Q2. You can write any potential, for example, V1. So you will get V1 now. Likewise, you have so you will get V2 now. Following on it.
Following, sir.
Similarly, you will get V3 also now. Followed this.
Yes, sir.
Now anybody are writing CBS here?
No, sir.
Anybody are there in the class?
Some boys are there, sir. Some
I am
sorry,
there. Yes, sir. I am there, sir.
You have exams, it seems, no? Phase 1, phase 2.
They are already completed, sir. Grade 11 exam.
No, grade 12 also, they're conducting in 2 parts, I think. No?
Yes, sir. In November, first exam. March, second exam.
Finished this. See, note down these answers, you can complete, otherwise you're taking a lot of time. There's no time for it.
Done, sir.
Note down this answers,
Got
Yes, sir.
Got the
Yes.
answer, sir.
all 3. Right.
Yes.
Understood this? See, they are connected like this. Now the switches are closed. If you close all this, you have to find the new charges. See, once you close all the switches, what will happen? Let us say a charge circulates here. Then what will happen? Can you tell? This initially CV, no? Now it will come out, no? So here, in this it will be, do you agree with this? Here it enters, no? Initially minus 2 CV, no? Now one Q enters. This is minus 2 CV minus Q. That means this is, am I right or not?
Agreed, sir.
Agreed? Like that.
Yes, sir.
Q is coming this side, no? So this is losing. This is 4, no? What is the original charge? CV. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Like that. Sixteen CV minus Q. The circuit is complete, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now apply Kirchhoff's law and make it equal to 0. You will get Q. Can't apply Kirchhoff's law?
Yes, sir. Can.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, for 4 coulomb capacitor, sir, 2 coulomb capacitor, sir, it should be 4 CV minus
Hmm.
Q, sir, upside one.
Yes, here.
Yes, sir.
I wrote here. Got this? What is that you have
Sir,
Q?
minus of 4 CV minus Q. It is or only 4 CV minus Q?
Here, what is the original charge, man? 4
4
CV
CV.
minus 4 CV. Now this loses charge because charge is coming like this now. This gains
Yes, sir.
charge. So I have
Yes, sir.
taken minus common. Okay? Understood this? This side charge is going, it loses, it gains. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear?
Clear, sir.
Similarly, this is gaining, this is losing. Gaining, losing. Entry means gain only, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, for that, then it should be 4 CV minus Q, sir, for down capacitor.
Yes, man, minus 4. This is what? Positive, huh?
Yes, sir. That is positive, upside is negative. That I am saying.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How much you got? All of you got this? See, got this? So if you do that, you'll get this.
Yes, sir.
Got this? Then you can find the charges on every capacitor. Then you can find the PD, no?
Yes, sir.
Got this? Hello?
1 minute.
1 minute, sir. Sir, in the second diagram, that should be minus of 15 CV minus Q, no, sir.
Okay, whatever it is, you should get this one, see. You agree with this? Which one you're talking about this, huh?
About the second diagram, that 4C capacitor second diagram. Minus of 16 CV minus 2 na sir yes. Yes. Sir, got sir Q equal to 24/5 CV.
So now you'll get the charges, no? Find the charges, then you'll get the potential differences, no?
Yes sir.
Do
Yes,
quick,
sir.
man. One student do it quick, you know. You have the potential, unnecessarily by laziness you are spoiling. Total how much you got, man? 2? Yesterday's exam marks 250 or 260 or something. $262 you got, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See here, substitute the values. How much are you getting?
Sir, upside capacitor is 19/5 CV and minus 19/5 CV.
This is 19/5, huh?
No sir, that is only minus 19/5. Sir, CV minus Q is negative. 19/5 CV. Opposite one is plus 19/5.
So you'll
The
get the
right
potential.
side is
This one is how much?
4/5.
sir, that is CV and minus CV.
Hmm?
4/5 plus 4/5 minus 4
Yes, sir. 4/5.
This is
minus.
So that is down one is 21/5.
right. Like that, find out V2, V3, like that, tell.
Sir,
2C, sir.
Some error is there in this one.
2C, sir. 2C divided by 2C. V2.
It's 2C.
sir, divided by 2C.
2C, sir.
2/5 correct. Next. This
Sir,
one, fast.
V3 is minus 21/C plus 21.
This one.
Minus 21. Yes, sir. That is minus 21.
CV, yeah?
Yes, sir. Minus 21 by 5. Minus
5.
21 by 5
Hmm.
plus 25. Minus 66. V4.
Hmm. This is
Minus
minus or plus
66
one?
by 5. That is minus 66 by 5 CV plus 66 CV.
Agreed? Like that, find V3. How much you're getting?
Sir, for the left capacitor, it's 56 by 5.
Right? These are the values we should get. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Got, sir. Got the values.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall we go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, I posted in the group one problem. See?
Got, sir.
See, what is the initial charge on each one? Initially, only one capacitor is charged, no? The other capacitor is not charged. Do you agree with this?
Sir.
Now, when the capacitors are, what he says, charge is equally distributed, it seems. When you're connecting in parallel, okay, charge is equally distributed means V is same, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
That means both capacitors are same. Understood this? So we can conserve charge. Initially, one has a charge Q, the other is uncharged. Now you are having CV plus CV. So this gives you the common potential. How much is that?
Q by C.
2/2C.
Initially, what is Q? CV, no? 10 into V you will get now. What is V you got tell? 5 volt you got or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the final energy? Ha.
Got the answer, sir.
How much you got?
2.5 joules. Ratio is 1:2.
Hmm. Am I audible, man?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Will you go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got any question?
No, sir.
Now you got, I think.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
Not got, sir. Got,
Got,
sir.
Now
sir.
received, sir.
Now got.
Okay. Note down that. See, this capacitor falls like this, no? As before, what we'll assume? We'll assume that some charge Q flows like this. In, what is this, clockwise direction. Agreed? So this is plus Q minus Q. Is uncharged, no? So what will go here? Plus Q will come, minus Q. This is going away. Initially, what is the charge it has? CV, no? How much is that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
this
sir.
it enters. Initially how much? CV? Oh, 360.
Yes, sir. CV.
Do you agree with this? We're done just now, you're done now.
Yes, sir.
Apply Kirchhoff's law and get Q. This capacitance is how much? 2 micro. Following or not?
Following, sir.
Following, sir.
Don't copy as it is. Use your mind. Find out Q. Got this?
One minute.
Once you get Q, you'll get the final charges on all these three capacitors. After that, you can get initially, you have only now finally you can find no, like this. Finally, you'll be getting. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Note down. So you can complete that. Just note down the method because we are running behind schedule.
Done,
So
sir.
the second capacitor first one should be minus 360 minus Q, no, sir. Q is been
What is this 360 only, no? Charge is entering, huh?
yes.
This 360 originally.
Charge. Yes, sir. 180 volts.
Originally that is negative, no? Correct or no? Originally that is
Yes,
negative,
sir,
man.
yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
360. You are adding on Q. How much you'll get? If you take, okay, this will be minus, okay. Now this is correct. Originally minus 300.
Yes, sir.
This is correct only, no? Plus
Yes,
Q.
sir.
Okay, this is correct only. So you have plus, am I right? Right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood the method now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Completed, sir.
Got?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Shall I turn this? You noted down the answers?
Yes, sir.
See, soon after the class, today itself you complete. Don't postpone this.
Yes, sir.
Later on, I will do that. Later will never come. This you are doing from first year. Why I cover maximum problems is if a student can get any marks in mains, means it's only through physics. Because all questions are known questions will be there. Because once you do, you can, nothing to memorize, here method on it. See, find the charges flowing along the path 1, 2, 3 shown. That is the question. What is the question? Find the charges that flow in the direction of 1, 2, 3 shown in the figure. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Hello. Now initially before the switch is closed, find the charges. Before the switch is closed, will there be any charge flowing here?
Open circuit. Sir.
There won't be any flow charge. Only charge flows in. Agreed. Why I am taking like this is a larger voltage, no? So this charge will dominate. So this is some Q. Apply Kirchhoff's law. So what is Q you got? Yeah? How
20
much you got?
coulombs.
That
20
means
coulomb.
no charge flows through this. Why open circuit, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you are following on it. So
Following.
what is this you have here? Jesse, I'm following.
Following, sir.
Yes, silent, no violence from your side. Right. Once the switch is closed, why are dullment?
Nothing like that, sir.
Jassim. Here dull. Part of life, man.
Sir, nothing like that, sir.
We are not asking doubts, means you're following fully. Okay, now the switch is closed now. Now using your mind, you can find out the new charges on this. Simple thing is, anyway you can do, apply two loops, or the other way is use nodal analysis. Okay. Agreed? 20, this will be how much? 10 is dropped now. Agreed? Suppose this is X. Now assume that charges come like this. Tell what you'll have here. This is also X, this is also X. The charge is coming like this now. CV no? Entry, again entry, exit. You'll get X now. Once you get X, you can find the charges on all these three now because voltage is known now. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
Once you know the charges, we can find out what are the charges. Quick. What Jasim? Following.
Yes, sir. Following, sir.
Abrar.
Yes, sir.
Following. How much
Yes,
you
sir.
got yesterday's exam? Yesterday's exam, how much you got?
Less only got, sir.
Why?
Didn't study properly, sir, yesterday. No
Why
time was there.
enjoyment? Full enjoyment. You have celebrated more festival.
It's a naughty night.
Right. This is, you should get this. See, got this finally. Hello.
Yes, sir.
How much you got?
Sir,
X
is
40 by 3.
See,
X is 40
now
by
what
3.
we'll do now, Q1, charge through this. Here it is 20 now. So to
Yes, sir.
20 microcoulomb, Q1 has entered, resulting in minus 100. So what should be Q1, man?
Minus 120.
Similarly,
Minus 120.
already it is there. How much for this capacitor?
Zero.
Q2 originally it is 0 now.
Yes.
Uncharged. Middle one is uncharged.
Yes, sir.
Am I right or not?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now final charge is already originally 0. Now how much you got? 120. Okay, now Q3 already present is minus 20 microcoulomb. Finally it became minus 20. Yeah, that's all. Is it correct only? That means Q3 must be 0.
Sir, one
Right?
doubt.
What tell?
Sir, I am getting confused. After finding the value of X, how you are writing that minus 100 coulomb and this is 100 coulomb?
This is X is there now. This potential is
Yes,
there
sir.
now. Q is equal to CV now. Apply.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Q is equal to CV now.
Yes, sir.
They are the final charges. See, originally this is 20 or minus 20, man. This is Q is 20 positive or negative? What you got?
Positive, sir.
Positive, sir. Positive. Sir.
Okay. Then this is 100 minus, this is minus 100 100 What is this? Is it correct only? What is X value you got? Tell.
40 by 3.
40 by 3, sir.
That means this is higher potential,
Then,
no? This is higher
sir.
potential, man.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That means this should be plus, this is minus. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this is 45, this is positive, correct only. This is 40 by 3, 0. This is correct only. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, then 10 minus 40 by 3 into 6 is not 100 and minus 100. Sir.
How much are you getting, man?
minus 20 and plus 20, sir.
Here you are getting minus 20 plus 20. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
How much is x, man? You tell.
40 by 3, sir.
Check up some error is there in that.
Sir,
Hmm. Is 40 by 3, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Then what are the new charges?
Plus 20 minus 20
Is plus 20, yeah?
minus 20. That's it.
This is
Plus 20.
not answering anything.
Sir, we will solve it today.
Hmm? Okay, understood the method now. What you will do, no?
Yes, sir.
Q1,
Give it, you can give.
you can find that now Q plus, okay, original charge equals final charge. Okay,
Yes.
so that means what delta Q you take. If you do that, see, do it carefully again the analysis. That fellow is given like this. Note on the answers. Immediately today only complete.
Yes, sir.
And you are not getting that, you can post the doubt to me. I'll do it. Understood the method now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, now hurriedly if you do, you won't get answers. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Understood the method now? See, we initially find the charges, finally find the charges. Now this delta Q1 enters like this. Plus initial charge. This is the final, okay? Right. Just per day, if you do something. Got another question?
No, sir. Got suggestion.
God, sir.
Clear? Right. Shall I turn this? See, all of you completed this. I sent one question, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the question is find the charges that flow through sections 1 and 2 in the directions shown. This can you do this?
Sir, what is the answer?
See, same thing. Before closing the switch, what are the charges? After closing the switch, what are the charges? That is the thing. That's all.
Yes, sir. I did like that only.
See, from tomorrow, most likely you will go to MS platform. IDs are generated.
Yes, sir.
So outsiders cannot enter. So every activity is recorded there. People are logging out in between. Everything is observed. So be careful. Some people, it is directly under the supervision of our central office chairman will be there. So be cautious about this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Note
Got
down
the
this.
same answer, sir.
Right. Have we completed this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Got the answer.
Take another problem. Those who did not complete, can you do it or shall I do? Before closing the switch, apply Kirchhoff's law and get the charges.
Yes,
After
sir.
Yes, sir.
closing the switch, try.
Yes, sir, we got.
What is the most difficult subject, man? As far as exam is concerned, what is the most difficult subject?
Sir, for me, inorganic chemistry.
Actually, it is chemistry and next mathematics. Why I am saying is, under tension you will forget, man. That is, yeah, whatever you do, you try your level best also, you'll forget. Physics learning is difficult. I am agreeing. I do agree. Why learning is difficult is you need a lot of patience. See, for example, capacitor going on, dragging problem, every problem, new thing, no? In chemistry, it's not like that, no? This is electronic power, that's all. We cannot discuss more than that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Maths also, these are formulas are over. Syllabus, that's why syllabus will be easily over. Problem is that memorization, a big headache. See, I posted another one to you. See?
Got, sir. Received.
Yes, sir. Got.
Got, sir.
See, same thing. How much charge flows to the switch S when it is closed? Write down. How much charge flows through switch S when it is closed? Before closing the switch, quickly find out what are the charges. Can't you find the charges on this? Reason is, see, this is parallel only, no? What is the voltage
Yes,
across
sir.
this? 24, no?
Yes, sir.
Now this is divided in the ratio of what? Hopeless fellow.
V1.
C1 into V1. C2 into V2. Agreed? C2 into 24. So Q1 by Q2 is how much? C1 by C2. Do you agree with this? Oh, these are sorry. These are parallel, no? Series, no? These two are in series. Q1
Yes.
equals Q2, no? Agreed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
C1, V1. Potentials are different. This is V1, this is V2. C2, V2. Agreed? C1 is how much? And what is V1 plus V2 is nothing but 24 only, no? Solve these two, you will get V1, V2. Once you get V1, V2, you'll get Q1, Q2. Understood this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Got that? See how much you are getting? Similarly, you can get this also, no?
Sir, is it 12 coulombs? Final answer.
12 coulombs, correct answer. How much you got this? See, because the capacitors are same, definitely the charges, this charge flowing is also same. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Sir,
Sir, completed.
Then after that, use a nodal analysis and get the charges. Now, you can use nodal analysis or any other method. Okay. This is 0, this is 24. No? Now, here, so this is the charges now. So, for this path, what you have? For this path going away, no? For this path, for this path, understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
All are leaving now from here. You will
Yes,
get
sir.
X. Once you get X, you will be getting the new charges, no?
Yes, sir.
What are the new charges you have? You will get this. Original charges, how much you got on this? See, suppose initially it is Q3, Q4, no? suppose when the switch is closed, let this charge go like this, for example. So that Q, you are having what here? Minus Q3, following or not? Plus Q4 is equal to what? That new one, no? Minus 24 plus 12. So you'll get Q flowing through that, no? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
You have a parent-teacher meet, it seems, no?
In August, sir.
Hmm? Hmm.
August.
Just now I got the phone call. You know, in the history of MS, L40 student parent meet is the first time they're holding. Because of the nature of the student studies, they're forced to get. We never had a meeting so far. Teach, just leave them. They only get the mark, getting the rank. This batch is different totally. Attitude is not there for student. That is the problem. Okay, anyhow, till here you followed?
Sir,
Sir.
followed.
And the
Followed,
answer,
sir.
you will be getting the answer as 12 microcoulomb. I am assuming a charge Q to flow. Initially, whatever charge is it is, initially charges are these, not to initial charge, a Q flows, resulting in these new charges. Understood this?
Sir.
You're getting 12, huh? Somebody got, no?
Yes, sir. 12 coulombs from left to right.
Answer.
Completed, sir.
Wait. Got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the question is, find the amount of heat generated. Find the amount of heat generated. You know how to find the heat generated?
Yes,
You'll
sir. Initial energy
Initial
minus
you'll
final
find,
energy.
final you will find on the capacitors. After that, initial plus work done by cell heat generated now. See, work
Yes.
done by the cell only if new cell is there. See, why I am saying this is try to understand one capacity is there, man. Okay. Now, suppose some charge goes to this Q. By some means, some charge that returns back. See, there is no additional work now. Whatever energy it got given, the same energy it will receive back. Understood? Followed what I am saying?
Sir, once
Yes.
again, please.
Suppose that's what, man. Open your mouth like the mortuary classroom is silent. What I'll understand? Some response. Yes, no. There is a capacitor already discharged. Now you may change the plate distance, something if you do. When you change the plate distance, suppose Q is there initially CV. Now Q dash will change because PD is same, no? C dash V. When capacitor change, automatically Q dash will change, no? That
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
means if Q
Sir.
dash is more than Q, that means some charge has flown from this bed. Q dash is less than Q, some charge comes to this. That means the energy is only within this battery. What it is receiving is what it has given only, no?
Yes.
Capacitor basically has no energy. Suppose it is having 10 joules initially, after that 12 joules. That means 2 joules has come onto this. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Suppose initially 10 joules, it becomes 7 joules. That means 3 joules has come back to this. That is the reason why that means the cell does not do any additional work for that. Same battery, same cell, no? Already first time we have calculated what is the work done by the cell. There is no need of calculating again. Understood this or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
remember that is the
Understood, sir.
same, if another cell is connected only, this will exist. Same cell means you will never see this point anywhere in any book if you want to try. They are not writing this. They are giving the answer. We know that and they are doing. So remember that work done by the cell is zero. Work done by external agents exists only if capacitor has some changes. What are the changes? Like a dielectric is inserted.
The distance between is increased.
Inserted or removed, or distance is between plates is removed, like that. Okay, understood this? If that is not
Yes,
there,
sir.
this will be zero. Initial, final. Find out H. Followed what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now followed.
So if you do this, the answer, if you do it carefully, shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Is it clear?
Cleared, sir.
Right. See, you have your revision classes, you're aware of that, no? And
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
in that revision only, fluid statics I started. Now only we will complete maximum problems. Okay. In fact, that program was started for you people only. Understood this? in the, because we
Sure.
cannot take, I cannot teach throughout year, no. So I think mostly by next month middle we'll close this. And that means the remaining portion, fluids, what is that? Heat and thermodynamics and all. So that
Yes.
you'll have some time for later on. Please take things, it's a life, man, nothing else. After all, when curry is not good, you'll feel for that, now you'll shout at mother, all this, no. This is life. How much care you have to take? Check up. One shirt is not nice. One button of shirt is not there. You'll throw it away, no? Oh, those are all replaceable items. Okay, once curry is not good, in the evening she can cook another curry. Or you can go to a hotel or curry point or online booking. You cannot get an IIT seat or through online booking, no, any of this. This is only through your hard work. So take care and attend the revision classes, okay? Right then.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right,
Thank you, sir.
same
Sir,
password,
same link, right?
same link.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, at what time will the revision class start?
Four 15.